In Deuteronomy, it says, God, your God, will restore all the things that you have lost, will have compassion on you, and will go back and pick up all the pieces from where you were scattered. And as I read that today, I was so struck by all these things that happen in our lives that scatter us. All these hurts and traumas and trials where it takes a little part of us and it leaves us feeling less than where we were before. And sometimes when we remember them, it feels like we're still in those moments because they were so traumatic or so difficult. And today I just want to draw everybody's eyes to that verse in Deuteronomy that promises, swears, vows, confirms, and guarantees that God will go back to those places and pick up all the pieces that were scattered from you and restore you. You know, there's no timeline on it. You know, that's the bad news. But it does say it, and it does guarantee it. And today, I am believing for it, for both me and for you. He's going back. He's picking up the pieces. He's putting you back together like Humpty Dumpty, you know? That's today's word.